Morning, or dobro jutro, how they say here. Dacho and his team are here to work on the concrete now. Yeah, I ended up putting this little stone wall here, and I arranged the original stones that used to be lying around in the corner with the moss, because that's the thing that I want to preserve, and I didn't want to put any concrete on top of that. Once it's all filled up with soil, I think it looks a bit nicer. Then we pretty much just have like a small separation with the stones. I want to fill this up with soil, and at the same time I can help Mitzi, who is working on the stone circle now. It's just 6:30, but it's getting dark already. Winter's coming for sure, so our days are getting shorter. Mitzi finished the first row completely and half of the second row, and tomorrow he will come back, and in the meantime I was cleaning up the entire top part of the wall because Mitzi is going to rebuild that as well. So we're going to connect this wall with this wall. Dacho will come back tomorrow as well to finish the rest of the concrete. So exciting times. Good morning. Yeah, we're back at work and we're coming to the first big ramp, actually the biggest ramp that we will have. And I was laying down some stones here on the side, so this will kind of be the separation between the concrete and then the green stuff. And this stone wall will go into the stone circle here. It looks so much better already without seeing this pipe. The stone circle is shaping up very nicely. I have to do one thing now that we have the concrete here ready. I have to get rid of all the figs that fall down. And maybe I should put like a little net or so in the future. Now the season of the figs is nearly over. There won't be too many of them anymore. Yeah, and I'll actually be in Nixich for a couple of days in a co-working conference to present my project there. On Monday, the ceramic guy will come back and finish up the toilets. And then we're going to install the toilets and the sinks and everything. And then hopefully soon I'll get the bar equipment for the stone house, and once that's the case we can move over here and close the downstairs bar for the winter, because we have much more space up here. Mitzi is nearly done with the stone bench here. He's also finishing up the wall up here. But now it's already looking much better because the main pipes are already under the ground. I actually spent the last days in Nikšić presenting the Tower Coworking space, which I did not really start to advertise yet, but there was a cross-border coworking conference and they invited me to talk about my place here, and of course I couldn't say no to that. It's Friday, my family's coming to visit tomorrow for the first time and they will stay 10 days, that's gonna be amazing. So they will miss tonight's campfire, but next week's campfire they will see. As you can see, the big fig tree here next to the stone house is gone, and it really broke my heart because I got pretty attached to the tree. It just looked so nice and I was just so used to it. But we had to take it down for a few reasons, and let me explain to you what these reasons are. First of all, we have the toilets outside of the building, so if there's a heavy rain, people would stand in the heavy rain to get into the toilet, which is a problem. So we have to get some sort of protection on top of the space here where the toilet is. And also the fig tree was losing a lot of figs and they created a big mess here. And once I have the nice stones, it will pretty much make everything dirty all the time. Also because a tree over the roof is really bad, it damaged the roof quite badly and there's water coming into my bar area. And I have a terrace covering both of these toilets. This toilet will be made a bit higher. We're also going to take down this part of the roof until over here and make the wall higher to get like kind of a flat terrace on top, which will have two really good advantages. For once, I have more space inside the bar to put glasses and drinks in the background here because now it's kind of tight. And also we're going to have a huge extra space for people to enjoy. When we're done with the terrace, we can also work much nicer on this big stone wall over there from the tower. That's the plan for next days. Today we're gonna have the setup designs here to deliver all the woods and all the windows, which will be very exciting. We can already see the first one over there. So I'm gonna film them, and then also Michi will come back to finish up the stone circle. And also the plumber should come to finish up the toilets. Because they're pretty much done, but we still have to install everything. Today we finally have some sun again after a bunch of rainy days, and we started to take down the roof here, a part of the terrace that we're going to build on top of the two toilets here. It will give me some more space in the bar, which is really nice. The rooftop will be amazing here, I think. Lots of space here in the new bar.
1 bottle tequila for me.
You deserve it. Our second sunny day in a row is coming to an end, and the guys did a great job here completing all the woodwork. Got two Gräders. I don't actually know the English or German word, but kind of like the horizontal ones, and then here the Stupa or Stup going down. We're gonna have to do a lot of work on this wall. There used to be either an old window or an old door. Yet another one that we haven't discovered yet, and maybe we can make an entrance into the third floor of the tower. Alright, I'll see you when the sun is back and we're back to work, probably in 2 days from now. Bye bye. It's the end of November, it's getting really cold. We had a couple of windy weeks. Mountains are snow-capped now, and just today the sun comes out again. It's 3 degrees, so near freezing actually. Dutch and his team are back now to work on the terrace. And you can see the little box in the middle, that's going to be a hole in the end to get some natural daylight into the bottom floor of the terrace. It's very important for me to get sun rays in there. I'll let it dry for 2 days. All the supportive wooden beams have to stay for 2 weeks, and then I can get my furniture delivered for the bar down there. But in the meantime I can already clear up this wall. I have to remove all the old plaster and then put some new fuga, pretty much patch all the small holes where the rain could come through. And yeah, then I have to get my steel guys to get a little handrail here. So much extra space. Can't wait! You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.